Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a butterfly with quilling paper strips. Let's start with the wings. We have to use the backside of a quilling template board. Just put a pattern on it, cover it with plastic sheet, and secure it on the backside with tape. Now we need the pins. Just place them along the outline of the pattern. I made this part with 3 different colors of 300 GSM paper strips. The whole wings are made with 3mm paper strips. I started with the orange paper strip and went on with the darker orange tone, and at the end I used the black paper strip. I wrapped each of them 2 times around the pins. Just a little tip: if you glue the next paper strip, avoid overlapping with the previous one. Remove the excess glue on the back side. You have to do the same process for the other quilling shapes. Place them on the template board, secure their positions with pins, and glue them together. Let's go on with these quilling shapes. You need 2 different colors for them. Use your slotted quilling tool to make a coil. Let it open up a little bit and squeeze it on both sides. Glue the black paper strip on it and wrap it 3 times around. At the end, squeeze it again. Let's go on with the next quilling shape. You have to make 2 different sizes of these tight quilling coils. The white paper strip is always the same size. The black paper strips are 2 times or 4 times longer than the white paper strip. Now we can attach the quilling pieces on the wing. Just put them on the right place of the pattern. By the way, there is a free download link of this pattern in the video description. There is also a link to the paper and quilling tools that I used in this video. If you enjoyed the content so far, like the video please. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. I will answer all of them. Let's go on with the outline of the wing. I used 300 GSM paper and glued 3 times around the wing. It's very useful to work with pins on this part, so you can glue the strips along the wing. This part was very tricky. That's why I used the quilling needle to attach the paper strip on this corner. Like we did before, remove the excess glue from the quilling piece. You can use a little bit of water on your fingertips. This is the last part of the wing. I decided to use 5 different orange tones to fill the quilling shapes. This is one wing of the butterfly. You have to make the same wing for the other side, and you can use the same pattern again. Let's make the body of the butterfly. I used 6mm paper strips for this. This is the upper body of the butterfly. Just start with a tight quilling coil and make a dome shape. Push the top of the dome back. And seal it with the glue from the inside. This is the lower body of the butterfly. You have to make a dome shape again, but this time the paper strips are a little bit shorter than the paper strips you have used for the upper body. In this way you can insert the lower body into the upper body easily. Now stick both body parts together. It's time to attach the wings to the body. Make sure to use thick paper for this part. I used 300 GSM paper strips and glued them on the head of the butterfly. The butterfly is ready to fly. It is flying right to the puppies that I made in my last video. If you haven't seen this video, just click here or visit my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys.